Oh, well, hello everybody. It's been a while since I've done a video. I just want to do a little update for what I'm doing right now. I am going to actually surprisingly tell my real name, my my name, and also I have another YouTube channel, my personal channel. But anyways, my name is Carl Diggory. That's C-A-R-L, first name, and last name is Diggory, D-I-G-R-E. And I have a YouTube channel by the same name, and I have lots of videos on there too. So anyways, yeah, the content I'm going to put onto there is going to be content that really does not, that may not fit well into Let's Go Traveling or, riding and driving. So yeah, I think that's what I plan on doing. I'm going to have like more detailed in the location that I visit. On the Carl Diggory channel, on my personal channel, and on Let's Go Traveling, it's going to be different places. Might be multiple places, but it won't be in detail for the places that I visit. I gotta hold that still, steady, baby. Yeah, of course, you may see my backdrop, kind of unusual, you think. You can see a van, and it's dark out. And you'll find out that on tomorrow's, yeah, I'm going to upload this video so it posts in the morning sometime, and then this evening there's going to be a new video for a trip that I'm on right now. I was going to do a clip for this one earlier today, but I just didn't have any time. But anyways, thanks for watching. Go check out my personal channel. If I can figure it out, I'll put a link to it in the video description below. So, okay, I'm going to go to bed. I'm tired. It's been a long day. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.